How to block messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. Once you are in the app, open the message thread from the sender you wish to block. At the very top of the screen, tap on the contact's profile picture. This action reveals a set of options for that specific conversation. From the options, tap the Info button. Here, scroll to the very bottom of the screen and tap Block Caller in the red button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Block Contact to confirm. This action will block the person from your contact list. You will no longer receive any notifications or messages from the sender until you manually unblock them. Following these steps, you can easily block any message on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.